Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power and grounding yourself, safety first. Once done, remove the card and inspect for blown caps, scorch marks, or loose heatsink screws. Reseat the GPU firmly into the PCIe X16 slot and reconnect 6/8-pin cables. Make sure clips lock. Power on with minimal components to confirm symptoms persist. If fans spin but no display, move to power chain checks and PSU load testing to find where the fault really lies. You now tackle heat and firmware. Clean dust from fans and heatsink. Verify fan headers get 12V at spin-up. Once clean, remove the cooler and replace old thermal paste or pads, 0.5 mm or thicker pads where required to restore conduction. Flash or reset VBIOS only if stable power and cooling are confirmed. Then test the card in a second machine and boot drivers free. If behavior changes, software or driver corruption is likely. Otherwise, the issue is hardware-focused. You wrap up by deciding repair versus replace. If you can solder, swap faulty fans, caps, or damaged traces. Otherwise, pursue RMA with photos and diagnostic logs. Once repaired or RMA accepted, reinstall drivers and monitor temps with a test bench for 24-48 hours. If problems remain, make sure to swap the PSU and test a known good GPU. This single isolation step often reveals whether the GPU, motherboard, or power delivery is at fault. Keep detailed notes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.